if you plan on competing, there's gonna be some rough days, because there's gonna be some rough days on the mat. Like I tell them, they play jiu-jitsu. And like I was telling Dave, I don't play jiu-jitsu, okay? I'm not playing, I'm playing to win. And so just be prepared for that, because if you don't have hard, rough days in your gym, you get to a tournament and you run across a person that's mean and rough, it's like, what the hell is this? But if you've practiced that, you've been in there, just another walk in the park, you know? Because everything at the end of the day comes with your mind, your mentality, man, okay? I just want to show you a side control that I like. I see a lot of people, they pass guard and they'll go side control, get their points, and they'll try to immediately go to somewhere else. Me, myself, I'm the type of player that I don't lose position for a submission. I like to just beat up people. Honestly, I'm a jiu-jitsu fighter, and so I don't really do just a bunch of submissions. They're very low risk. I just don't lose position, and my side control usually open up a lot of submissions for me. You know, I tell people, once you pass guard, I'm winning. I get my points. Why do I need to go somewhere right now? He's the one that needs to kind of escape, try to retain guard, do all of that. I'm not stalling if he can't get away. I'm maintaining my position, and I'm gonna maintain my position until he open up a submission. And so that's what I'm gonna show today, is just some pressure, some really strong pressure, side control, and staying aware of your body as well too. And so pay attention to the details on where I like to keep my knee. You know, when I'm on their hip, my knee never leaves. I'm always tracking them. Like I tell my students, once I get on side control, my body has now become their body. I'm not leaving. I don't give up no space, okay? And we also got to be aware of our body once we get there, because if my knee is on the hip and they can't move, a person, what they're going to do, they're going to try to reach around and grab your leg to try to hook it to go into side control. A lot of great things. So that's where we got to be aware of our body, okay? And so I'm gonna go into it today. Just go straight to side control. We're gonna pretend that we already passed, past the guard, and we're in side control now.